All right, this is question 4 of 2.1. Similar to the previous question, we're going to be finding the area with respect to x and respect to y, then choose which one we see easier. We're given some information. We have dark blue curve 2x, dark red curve 1/4 x squared, and dark green y equals 2. All right, so first we want to integrate with respect to x. So we're going this way, or top and bottom, my bad. So top bottom is dark green and dark red. So we need to find points of intersection. So we know what bounds to do. So first we know it's just going to be 0 to 1. That's fine. Let's write it down actually first. 0 to 1 of 2x minus 1/4 x squared dx plus integral from 1, and we don't know yet, so we're going to find that out. We have 1/4 x squared equal to 2 times 4 cancels this out, times 4 gives us x squared equals 8. Take the square root of either one, that's x equals square root of 8, and there's our bound, square root of 8, and now we have 2 minus 1/4 x squared dx, which sounds about right. Perfect. There's our answer for part 1. And then part 2 is with respect to y. And this one is honestly a lot easier. So let's see. We just have y equals 2x. Y equals 1/4 x squared. That's just going to give us y over 2 equals x. And then this is going to give us square root of 4 y equals x. Okay. And then from there, we can see in the graph, y is from 0 to 2. So we have everything we need. And we have to remember, right to left. So dark blue is this one. And then our red is this one. So back to dark blue. Let me just make sure that works. Yeah. So part 2 is 0 to 2. Oh, wait, let me just make sure. I think I may have, let's see, yeah, maybe flip. Yeah, so it's going to be 0 to 2. It's going to be square root of 4y minus y over 2 dy. And that is part 2. Part 3, we just have to choose the easier integral. Clearly, you can see that now with respect to y, that is the easier integral. So we have part 3 now, where we have some 0 to 2. And we can just rewrite square root of 4y as 4y to the power of 1/2. Makes it easier to visualize, minus y over 2 dy. Now, we use power rule. We add 1 to the power and then multiply by the reciprocal. So this will give 3/2 and then multiply by the reciprocal, 2/3. 2/3 4y to the power of 3/2 minus, we just add a power here. That's simple. And we have from 0 to 2. We know 0 will cancel everything out, so we just have to plug in 2. So 2/3 of 8 3/2 minus, that's just going to be 1. So that simplifies to 4/3 square root of 8 minus 1, and that is our area and final answer to our question.